Welcome, take a deep breath, and relax. In today's video, we will guide you through a complete skincare routine, step by step, designed to cleanse, heal, protect, and nourish your skin from the inside out. This routine is suitable for all skin types: oily, dry, sensitive, combination, and acne-prone skin. Skincare is not about perfection, it's about consistency, gentleness, and self-care. Step 1. Understanding your skin. Before touching your face, you must understand one thing. Your skin is alive, it breathes, it absorbs, it reacts. Every person's skin is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. There are 5 main skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination. Sensitive, acne-prone skin can exist in any of these types. Understanding your skin helps you avoid damage and irritation. Skincare starts with knowledge. Step 2. Hand hygiene, most ignored step. Before washing your face, always wash your hands. Your hands touch phones, doors, dust, germs. If you touch your face with dirty hands, bacteria transfer instantly. Use lukewarm water, apply a gentle hand cleanser, rub palms, fingers, nails, and wrists for at least 20 seconds. Clean hands protect clean skin. Step 3. PRE cleansing preparation. Tie your hair back. Remove accessories like rings, bracelets, watches. This prevents product buildup and contamination. Stand in a comfortable position, relax your shoulders. Skincare should never feel rushed. Step 4. First cleansing. Oil cleanse. Optional but powerful. Oil cleansing removes sunscreen, makeup, excess sebum, pollution. Apply a few drops of cleansing oil or balm to dry skin. Massage gently in circular motions, forehead, nose, cheeks, jawline. Focus on clogged areas. This step dissolves impurities without stripping the skin. Step 5. Water emulsification. Add a small amount of water. The oil turns milky. Continue massaging slowly. This step lifts dirt from deep within pores. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Step 6. Second cleansing. Water-based cleanser. Now use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Foam it between your palms. Apply to damp skin. Massage for 30 to 60 seconds. Never scrub aggressively. Cleansing should feel soft, calm, and soothing. Step 7. Rinsing correctly. Rinse with lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water damages the skin barrier. Splash gently. Ensure no residue remains. Clean skin should feel fresh, not tight. Step 8. Pat DIY. Never rub. Use a clean, soft towel. Pat the skin gently. Rubbing causes microtears and irritation. Your skin is delicate. Treat it kindly. Step 9. Toning. Restoring balance. Toner restores the skin's natural pH. Choose alcohol-free toners. Apply with hands or cotton pad. Press lightly into the skin. This step preps the skin for hydration. Step 10. Steaming. Optional. Weekly. Steaming opens pores temporarily. Use warm steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not overdo it. Steaming softens blackheads and debris. Follow with immediate cooling or mask. Step 11. Exfoliation. 1 to 2 times a week. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells. Use chemical exfoliants, AHA, BHA. Gentle physical exfoliants. Never exfoliate daily. Massage gently. Rinse thoroughly. Over-exfoliation damages skin permanently. Step 12. Blackhead and acne care. Focus on congested areas. Use salicylic acid for oily skin. Use lactic acid for sensitive skin. Never squeeze pimples aggressively. This causes scars and inflammation. Patience heals skin faster than force. Step 13. Face mask application. Choose masks based on skin needs. Clay masks for oil, hydrating masks for dry skin, calming masks for sensitive skin. Apply evenly. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Let the mask work. Step 14. Mask removal. Rinse gently. Do not scrub. Pat dry softly. Your skin is now deeply cleansed and refreshed. Step 15. Serum application. Serums contain active ingredients. Apply 2 to 3 drops. Gently press into skin. Common serums: vitamin C, brightening, niacinamide, oil control, hyaluronic acid, hydration. Step 16. Eye care. Use ring finger only. Apply tiny amount of eye cream. Tap gently. Never pull the skin. The eye area is the thinnest skin on your face. Step 17. Moisturizing. Locking hydration. Moisturizer seals everything in. Choose texture wisely. Gel for oily skin, cream for dry skin. Massage upward. Hydrated skin heals better. Step 18. Sunscreen. Morning routine. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Apply generously. SPF 30 or higher. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if outdoors. Sun damage is the #1 cause of aging. Step 19. Night skincare importance. Night is when skin repairs itself. Use nourishing products. Avoid heavy makeup overnight. Let your skin breathe and heal. Step 20. Consistency is everything. Skincare results take time, not days, not weeks, but months. Step 21. Reflect. Why you're doing this. Before we do anything else, reflect on your reason. Is it clarity? Calm? Confidence? Acne control? Anti-aging? Self-care? Pause. Naming your intention helps you stay consistent. When the days are busy and you're tempted to skip a step, that intention will bring you back. Repeat quietly. I care for my skin because I care for myself. Step 22. Daily hydration. Internal and external. There are two hydrations. What we drink and what we apply. Internally, aim to drink fluids consistently through the day. Plain water, herbal teas, and water-rich foods, cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, all help maintain skin turgor and vitality. Hydration supports healing and helps skin clear toxins more efficiently. Externally, layer hydration. After cleansing and toning, use humectant serums, hyaluronic acid or glycerin-based products applied to damp skin to draw and lock water into the epidermis. Follow with a moisturizer to seal that hydration. Think of serums as the sponge, moisturizer as the seal. Practical cue. Apply your hyaluronic serum within 30 seconds of patting your face dry. This timing maximizes absorption. Step 23. Consistent sun protection. Every morning. Sunscreen is not optional. Think of sunscreen as the most reliable anti-aging and anti-damage product you own. It reduces wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and the risk of long-term skin damage. Apply sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days, and reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. For indoor days, apply sunscreen after moisturizer, because UV rays can still penetrate windows. Choose a broad-spectrum formula with SPF 30 or higher. If you wear makeup, use a dedicated sunscreen or a tinted mineral sunscreen that doubles as a base. Generous application is key. Most people use less than half the needed amount. For the face, aim for about a nickel-sized amount and include ears, neck, and chest. Step 24. Nighttime. Repair, not overload. Nighttime is repair time. Your skin cycles into regeneration while you sleep, so keep your evening routine focused on nourishment and recovery. If you're using active treatments, retinoids, prescription topicals, stronger acids, don't layer everything at night. Alternate potent actives every other night or as your skin tolerates. For example, retinoid one night, gentle hydrator the next, and an exfoliant only 1 to 2 times per week. Overloading causes redness, peeling, and setbacks. A practical nighttime routine. Double clean if you wore sunscreen or makeup. Apply a calming serum, like niacinamide, spot treat active lesions, then a restorative moisturizer. Finish with a nourishing eye cream and lip balm. Step 25. Retinoids. How to start and stay with them. Retinoids are powerhouse ingredients for collagen, texture, and acne control, but they require respect. Start slowly. Apply a pea-sized amount 2 nights a week for the first 2 weeks. If tolerated, increase to 3 nights, then every other night, then nightly as tolerated. Always apply to dry skin. Damp skin increases absorption and irritation. If you experience excessive flaking, redness, or burning, scale back. Use a buffer. Apply a moisturizer first, then a thin layer of retinoid. Or switch to a lower concentration. Patience wins. Benefits often appear after 8 to 12 weeks, so don't judge too early. Step 26. Exfoliation. Smart frequency and choice. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and brightens texture, but more is not better. Chemical exfoliants, AHAs like glycolic or lactic acid, BHAs like salicylic acid, are generally kinder and more effective than harsh physical scrubs. For oily or acne-prone skin, BHAs penetrate pores and clear sebum. For dull, textured skin, AHAs help surface renewal. Frequency: 1 to 3 times per week depending on formula and skin tolerance. Use lower concentrations more often, higher concentrations less often. Avoid combining chemical exfoliants with retinoids on the same night unless you're following a dermatologist's plan. Tip: start with a pH-balanced product and always follow with hydrating, barrier-supportive ingredients, ceramides, niacinamide, and peptides. Step 27. Targeted acne management, not just pimple popping. If you have acne, target it strategically. Pause. For inflammatory acne, consult a dermatologist for topical or oral options. At home, use benzoyl peroxide for bacterial reduction. Start low, 2.5% to 5%. Salicylic acid for comedonal acne and pore clearing. Sulfur and niacinamide for calming oil production and inflammation. Thank you for taking time to care for yourself. Skincare is not vanity, but it is self-respect. Stay consistent, stay gentle, stay confident. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay glowing.